So please concentrate. He is going to use jib, right? How we have to use jib, please see that. That's the front part. This one he is going to put on back, right? So you can see that he is going to stitch front and back part first on the near the shoulder. You can see this. Just stitching near the shoulder so that we can attach both the front and back, cutting the edges. You can see this now. So now he's going to add zip on it. What? Where? जरूरी है. So ideally we have to do overlock. He didn't reverse the back cloth. He has already done it, Nitya. He has already done it. Without overlocking. So now the fabric has gone for overlocking. Overlocking, you all know what is overlocking? Do you all know what is overlocking? Anybody know? Okay, you all know that, right? So, I'm saying. So he's going to use the zip now. He has changed the foots, if you guys have observed. He has previously, which foot you were using, Salman? पहले कौन सा फुट यूज कर रहे थे? फुट कौन सा यूज कर रहे थे वो? This one. First he was using this one. You can see this, right? This is having this. Okay. So, but now he is going to use the single foot for the zip. I'll show you up closer. Can you all see this now? Can you all see this? The previous one and single foot. One side. This comes in left and right both. So anyone you can use, that's not a problem. So normally for jib single foot, yes, true, because without that it will come on top of it, right? If you are going to stitch that. So just we have to wait for a minute because the fabric has gone for overlocking. Now it has come. I'll show you how the interlock has been done. Just show Priyanka once how the interlock has been done. Just show it on the camera once. You can see this. Can you all see this once? You can see that this is overlocking has been done.
अगर आप लोग ओवरलॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं तो कॉटन का फैब्रिक लेके
See,
उसको हम लोग अंदर की
if
तरफ
you
पलट
are not having the overlock machine with you, what you can do, you can just fold the fabric and
Cotton
get it
fabric
done.
is
You can
fabric.
put cotton fabric and do that, the finishing, because that's needed for finishing, So that's important part, and we have to be. You can just concentrate on the zip part. That's really important. You can see this, the way he is putting the zip. So one side is done. So now he's going to put it little low, and you can see this the way he's putting it. So can you all see this zip now? You can see? Okay. Can you all see this? 1 minute, Priyanka. Just let me, you adjust it later. Let me explain it to them first. Right? Can you all see? 1 minute. Let me zoom it down.
बहुत
You can see this.
जो हमारा ये साइड का पार्ट है वो ये
That edge we have to put, okay?
स्टिच करते
Because if we are going to put this, then the zip will not be is not visible. Priyanka, just open and close the zip once so they can understand. Can you all see this now? It is open and now it is getting closed. Right? Can you all see this?
ऊपर का
And
पार्ट
you
है,
can see the finishing
हम
of
अंदर
that.
कर देंगे।
1 minute, Priyanka, just show it on the camera once. Right. No problem.
इसको हम अंदर कर देंगे।
So we will just fold this like this, okay, and just stitch it. Let me come into here. We'll just fold it the extra part.
जस्ट वहाँ पे रख देंगे।
Just he will rub that. Perfect. So now he is going to stitch it there, okay? He is just stitching it at the end, right? And he will cut it from here, the zip, the extra zip, right? So now you can see that the zip is ready,
बेल्ट लगा के
and now he is changing the puts again.
फ्रंट का थोड़ा बड़ा दोनों साइड पे अटैच होता है. एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट निकालना
Extra part he is taking it out. We have to make sure that front and both are equal. Okay. So he is putting the belt here now.
हम नीचे से हाफ इंच छोड़ के बेल्ट को लगाते हैं
we have to use the belt leaving half inch up, right? Half inch down we have to leave it, and we have to use the belts like this. Okay. He is measuring, he is going to measure it now. Okay, the 12 inches, because we need 24 inches, right? So he is putting the marking at 12 inches, if you can see that, right? So starting to end, I am showing that to you. He has put the marking at 12 inches, and based on that, he is just putting the marking near the chest area as well, right? So you can see that the way he is marking, because we need 24 inches on either chest or waist part. So he has just put the belt inside, and now he will stitch on top of it. And you can see that we have given enough margin, so you can see that we have given enough margin also, so that whenever needed they can increase the chest size up to 28, 30, like that. 24 it is, I think 28, till 28 they can increase, right? We are giving 2 inches margin to it, so max by 28 inches they can do it, but the length will be short. So as it's a short form, but still we give margin, because we never know that. So now he's giving margins, you see, now he's giving margins, guys. So you can open, he has given 3 margins, okay? Means if it is not fitting, you can open that stitch and that is going to fit you. Can you all understand this? Please type A in the chat box if you guys are understanding. Please type A in the chat box if you are understanding. Right.
उसको हम फिनिशिंग कर देंगे अगर ओवरलॉक मशीन नहीं है तो.
So if we don't have overlock machine, we can just put all together inside and just stitch it. Okay. If we can do the overlocking also to give a neat finishing, but here we have just stitched it. So we have shown you how the overlocking is being done and how the stitching will be done, right? So now he is again giving the margin, guys. Please see this. He is giving margin so that it can be, extended by 2 inches, 3 inches, the way you want. He is giving 3 stitches margin, means half inch each, means 1.5 inch, right? So you guys can understand this. So he is again giving the finishing. Sir, bhai, can I have a glass of water, please? Alright. So now your body part is ready. Now we are going to get ready the ghera part, right? So can we keep and
ready?
because
Just try.
okay.
Okay.
Hope we are not taking your enough time, guys, because we have to finish the frock, so it will take little time. Alright, everybody is okay with that? Everybody is okay with that? Alright, because I need your permission to extend the class, right? Because it's taking little time. you know, stitching a frock, though we are doing little hurry,
पूरा ready हो
but
गया ना?
still, you know, it takes little time to finish a complete frock. Hope you all can see this now. I think I don't need to tell you anything in that. It is just to observe and see. I'm sorry, I don't understand your question. No, at the bottom, at the bottom. ये bottom में आएगा ना प्रियंका?
हाँ ये
I'll show you, don't worry. It is in the lining. It will come at the bottom, guys.
इसमें लेस लगा देंगे पीछे।
कौन सा लेस लगाओगी?
कुछ भी लगा देंगे नीचे देख।
एक मीटर होगा।
कुछ उसके उस टाइप का लेना पड़ता है कंप्यूटर।
Okay.
थोड़ा वजन हो गया।
Again, we have to give frills to the lining. You see,
Waist part.
at the waist part. That also we need 24 inches.
हाँ
Right, guys? So this is less, so he is making little bigger frills if you can observe, right? As the top layer you need more flare and the bottom is should be less, so we are making little big frills so that we can adjust it. Hope you all is clear in this. All right. We need to actually do the overlocking here, right? So I'll show it to you now, but later stage we'll get the overlocking done. So can you just show once? You can see this, he's measuring it. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you all see this? How much it is? Can you all just check once?
Okay,
Please.
join.
Is it 12 guys? Right? Are you guys clear with this?
दोनों को हम लोग ज्वाइन कर
Now we
देंगे।
are going to join
उसको अंदर
the
डालेंगे इसको
front
अंदर।
part and the lining part. You see. 1 minute. Let me make it little shorter. 1 minute, guys. Okay, do it. You see how we are going to attach the lining and the front part. If we, again, I just want to tell you here, it's a short frock. We are not using can here. If it is a long frock, we can use can, but we have to use double lining for that,
हाँ,
right? So that also we will tell you in any of the class, not a problem. Once we will going to make a long frock, but
लॉन्ग फ्रॉक में हम आपको टाइम का अंदर।
in long frock we will tell you that. That's not a problem because we have to show you so many things. Okay.
प्लीज बनाने में टाइम लगेगा, उसको वीडियो भेज सकते हैं या तो 2 days में।
Is jointing both the lining and the front part.
आया है कि नहीं?
हो गया
1 minute. I'll पूरा ऐसा front part देखो front part. Can you see this, guys? Now the lining is also so okay. Front body attach करो. Now attach the body. He's putting little cuts here so he can understand where the center is coming, right? So that it should not be coming on the back side.
उसको बॉडी को उल्टा करके लगाना।
Body we have to, you know, do it always. We have to first turn it and then you can see he has turned the fabric, the yoke part, and then he is attaching it to it. Right, guys? So you can see this. रुक जाओ सलमान।
इसको सीधा रखना है, इसको उल्टा।
नहीं वो जूम मना कर देता ना 40-80 मिनट हो गया।
मार्क्स खोल लो, इधर एक मार्क्स रख लो, जब तक आई हूँ।
So now guys, now again we are live. Sorry, Zoom has disconnected the call. They are telling you are teaching too much. Take paid course, right? So, am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Okay. Just see that. Just see that. Right.
Just
Please.
right and
I will not take so much time. Okay. Now the voice is clear. Now the voice is clear. Now the voice is clear. Okay. All right. So he is just jointing the yoke part and he is joining it. This yoke part and the bottom part, right?
then
बॉडी बढ़ानी घेर को छोड़ा
मेजर नहीं किया गया ना
इसमें थोड़ा लग रहा बाला यहाँ पे है।
Can anybody tell me that what he is doing now? Can anybody tell me what he is doing now?
बॉडी को भी टाइट करनी है
ये क्या है जियो का
Can any one of you, he is turned reverse both bottom and okay.
क्या पूछना
So अभी सलमान क्या कर रहा है? That's what I am trying to.
हाँ थोड़ा
Ask
सा
Bottom
body
part
में
is
थोड़ा
less than. Absolutely correct.
कौन
Creepy.
है
Absolutely correct.
कौन
So
है? Creepy.
what he is doing, he is adjusting it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, Nitya, I could not understand your question. So actually, he is his measurement gone wrong somewhere.
थोड़ा सा
So he is
setting.
just setting it. Okay. That also you all should know, because every time, because this is a human work and we are. Rima, you got late. So now it's perfect. So you can see that now. Right. So
अच्छा है
this
तो आप इसमें फ्लावर वगैरह लगा सकते
you can put a flower in that, and I'll take you to the mannequin now and show how this frock is made. All right. So I'll show you guys. No worries. Just give me a moment. I'll show that to you. Let them set it. I will show that to you. The frock, the ready frock which we have made in front of you. Okay, 1 minute. I'll show you the
चाहे तो
frock
छोटे
which
छोटे
we have
flowers use कर
stitched
सकते हैं।
now. Okay, you can see that this frock is ready now. Can you all see this frock now? This is the front part. You can decorate it, the yoke part, like putting
flower,
some
something.
flowers and anything you want, you can put it, and you can decorate it nicely. You can put a nice bow kind of thing here, or any, you can put a butterfly here. You can use a multi, Priyanka, you can use this one, that butterfly will look good, you know. Yes. You can use a butterfly here, right, so that it matches, and that depends, you know. Please teach flower making also. All right, Preeti, we will tell you flower making also, right? So we have so many butterflies here.
मंडे को
Anything
दूसरा
you want, you can
Princess
put it
body
here
bana
to
tha.
decorate it, right? So it's basically, can you just turn this mannequin, turn once so that they can see the back also, and you know, you can see this back part. This is the back part which we have given. Can you just open the zip and show it to them once? You can see that zip, okay, and this is the, you know, back side for tying the frock we have given. It's for a year baby, and hope you all can see it. Front we have given work, and back side fabric we have used the leftover fabric, so we can use you know, lace or something to beautify it. All right. Okay guys, so with this we will close this today's class. Okay, I'm sorry for taking you a lot of time today. All right, we have gone little extra. All right,
Okay, bye, good night.
so good night guys, thank you very much.